can I use the power plate, whole body vibration, if I've had a joint replacement? In particular, knees and hips are the most common ones we get. Well, before we give you our obvious answer on that, let's look at some of the evidence. As recently as 2022, published in the Journal of Aging, Clinical and Experimental Research, they took populations that had a TKA, total knee arthroplasty, joint replacement, and they looked at the primary outcomes that we'd want to see as a result of that. Number one, pain scores improved. Wow, huge win on the board. Pretty hard to live to your potential if you're in pain every day, right? Pretty hard to even walk, let alone leave the house. Number two, improvements in thigh circumference, which is kind of important following such a big surgery, and bone mineral density. Wow. Improvements in strength, joint activity, and joint function. So there's wins all over the board. Just a few years before that, in 2019, published in the Journal of Clinical Medicine, we saw exactly the same populations living with TKAs, looking at the same measurements and outcomes. And we saw the similar improvements. Pain went down, mobility, stability, strength went up, functional improvements. But this shouldn't be surprising to us because as early as 2009, incredible study that came out of Oregon State University and subsequent ones since, looking at total hip replacements. And the positive outcomes were so significant, it led to the ACSM, American College of Sports Medicine, one of the global governing bodies of what is safe and effective for exercise interventions in all populations, presented at their global summit that not only is whole body vibration safe and effective, but highly recommended for people following joint replacements. So given this evidence, and there's much, much more, our answer is yes, it's safe, effective, and highly recommended. The question isn't should I use it, the question is how should I use it? So we're talking about using it to reduce pain, improve mobility and stability, functional strength and performance, including fall prevention, and improve muscle mass and bone mineral density. That's game-changing stuff. So can it be used? Yes. For what? Just told you. The question is, how do you use it for you? Well, whether you're with a coach, a trainer, or a therapist, we can help educate them on that. If not, on our Power Plate Academy, on our app, we have a ton of programs to help people once they buy their Power Plates. So there's your answer. It's safe, effective, and we highly recommend it.